The power of cloud computing, a paradigm shift. Cloud computing is arguably one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about and consume information technology IT resources. Instead of owning, managing, and maintaining physical servers, storage, and networking hardware, organizations and individuals can access these resources on demand over the internet, the cloud. What is cloud computing? At its core, cloud computing involves delivering various services over the internet. These services fall into three main categories, often referred to as the cloud stack. Software as a service SaaS, the most common form, where users access complete software applications over the web. Examples include Gmail, Microsoft 365, and Salesforce. Platform as a service PaaS provides a development environment, including operating systems, programming language execution environments, databases, and web servers. This is ideal for developers creating custom applications. Infrastructure as a service IaaS offers fundamental computing resources like virtual machines, storage, networks, and operating systems. Users manage the applications and operating systems, while the cloud provider manages the infrastructure. Amazon Web Services AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform GCP are leading EaaS providers. Key advantages: why the cloud matters. The widespread adoption of cloud computing is driven by several compelling benefits. 1. Cost efficiency. The cloud replaces the massive upfront capital expenditure (CapEx) of building data centers with a flexible operational expenditure (OpEx) model. Users only pay for the resources they actually consume pay-as-you-go, eliminating wasted capacity and reducing costs related to hardware maintenance, cooling, and power. 2. Scalability and elasticity. Cloud services can scale instantly to meet fluctuating demand. If a website experiences a sudden spike in traffic, for example, during a holiday sale, it can automatically provision more resources (elasticity) and then scale back down when the peak passes. This flexibility is nearly impossible to achieve with traditional on-premise infrastructure. 3. Agility and speed. Developers can spin up new environments, deploy applications, and test new ideas in minutes, not weeks or months. This unprecedented speed allows businesses to innovate faster, get products to market quicker, and respond rapidly to changes in the competitive landscape. 4. Reliability and disaster recovery. Major cloud providers offer redundant infrastructure across multiple geographic regions. This inherent redundancy ensures high availability and makes disaster recovery vastly simpler and more affordable than building a separate recovery site. The future is in the cloud. Cloud computing is more than just a place to store files. It is the backbone of modern digital transformation. It underpins disruptive technologies such as artificial intelligence (AI), machine learning (ML), big data analytics, and the Internet of Things (IoT), providing the immense computational power and storage required for these fields to flourish. As the industry evolves, the focus is moving towards serverless computing and edge computing. Serverless allows developers to build and run applications without managing any servers, further simplifying the operational burden. Edge computing brings processing power closer to the user or data source, enabling faster response time for devices like autonomous vehicles and industrial sensors. In conclusion, the cloud has democratized access to world-class computing resources, empowering businesses of all sizes to be more efficient, flexible, and innovative. It has cemented its status not just as a technology trend, but as the new normal for computing.